Dinosaur kid, tough one.
Nice try, bro. Бомжи, блядь.
Watch this.
Подними меня, подними. Мы бомжи, блядь. Don't kill, please. Подними. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, why you
Force
from?
him, force him.
Okay. Thanks, bro, thanks. Don't kill me,
yep.
please.
No, not gonna kill you.
Oh, you woman?
Great, you have a stay now.
Or are you guys
You
farming for a
woman?
base?
Okay, yes. F,
Where's your base at?
Блядь,
I'll help
скажи
you.
что-нибудь, Настя.
Where's your base at? I'll take you to it.
Huh? My English very bad, sorry. I don't understand you.
Oh, you got kidnapped now. Kidnap.
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
Did you med this guy?
What is this?
Oh,
have you kidnapped those guys? Oh, that is not nice. Oh, god damn.
Please, big side, please. Please,
Look, I
big
think I have
side,
to
bro,
push
big side.
and then force mount. Oh, I got the tricks down.
Farm, bro, farm. I farm, bro, farm. Thanks, farming. Please, bro.
This one's gonna get out soon. No, hold on, I got the trick.
So what happens now?
He's trapped
What's going to
forever.
happen to these guys?
They're just trapped.
Oh
What the
no!
fuck,
Bro, please.
He can log off the
no.
server.
Oh, he's out. Wait, where's the handcuffs? Fuck, we got an escapee. He's got a bow.
No. Don't kill me, please.
Cuff his ass.
What the fuck, блядь?
Cuff his ass, boys.
Иди нахуй, долбоёб. Иди нахуй, долбоёб.
Oh my gosh. Your turn, buddy. You do? Handcuff his ass. Oh, I can't put clothing on yet. Oh!
Русский,
Make him sit.
English, Russian. Oh.
English.
Чуваки, вы русские или Киевы?
Is that guy kidded? Is that the toxic guy? Do we just start mowing him? He looks like he has a fucking squad. Should I toss a nade in there?
Free loot base?
Yo!
Alright, sign me up. Can I get inside?
Oh, you motherfucker!
All the Jews.
No, you bastards! No!
Welcome home. Guys, can we farm for you? Me and my two fellow nakeds over here want to farm.
Bro, there's no way you're asking to farm for them. That's insane.
Can we be a
Grow some
can I be a
balls.
slave for you guys?
Yo, dude, you gotta, dude, that's some bootlegging. Yo, come be a slave for me,
Yo,
bro.
come over here. Come over here.
I like that
Guys, so
guy.
that we can be slaves for them.
Is he living out of that shack though? With a duo? Oh man.
Yo, is it possible I can farm for you? Or nah? If you don't want me to, I'll turn away. It's no problem. What is going on? Yo, I got a scuba mask. Yo. Yo, do I follow you?
I think they're chill. They're chill.
Alright guys, I'm coming over. Hold on. SEAL Team 6 over here.
We brought you guys a farmer.
I'll be your water.
Okay.
Go, my little
don't worry.
fishy.
Hello?
Yeah, go forward, my little fishy.
Yeah,
No,
we gotta-
other
I
way.
can't go.
Yeah, go.
My feet are too small. I haven't grown up yet.
Oh my, what did you do to him?
Have fun.
SEAL Team 6 rolling out.
Please, no, no!
You ain't got shit on. You got shit on, dumbass boy. Isn't he like a one tap?
How slow he is. Oh my gosh.
That's it.
Come on, let's go this way. There's a boat over
I
there.
can't. I can't walk. Barely.
Oh, you're moving, don't worry.
Which way?
Oh, just that way.
Okay. Do I sit? Oh.
It's a nice view, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a nice view.
Take a screenshot. Take an F12. I'm gonna go get more metal. Watch this.
Like this, man. Let me go.
What the fuck?
Yo, that's bullying, bro. Y'all cannot do that, bro. That's bullying.
Oh shit.
Let me go, please.
Why?
We're just testing out the capabilities. What do you think of the new update?
Oh my god. I don't know.
You can shake
New update.
the handcuffs.
Yeah, what do you think of the new handcuff update? It's pretty cool, right?
Yes.
Oh, he knew. Careful.
Yo, chill. Oh, you live there? Yo, what is you guys' problem? Whoa! Whoa! Yo, chill!
Blow them.
Chill. Buy from my shop, bro. What the? What is this?
Okay.
Alright, bro, now this is... Let me go. Let me go now. Oh! Oh! Now this is child abuse. This is child abuse right here. Little Timon, bring the C4, they live here. Can you just stop, bro? Can you take those off of me, please?
Nah, you gotta bring the C4.
Actually, bro. How the fuck did you do that, bro? Oh my god. Please let me out, bro. Come on. Fuck. Now, let me go.
Nah,
Let
you're
me fucking
tied
go
up.
now, you Nah, I can't even suicide. What the fuck is this? Let me the fuck go now.
What do you think of the new update?
What the fuck?
Oh, you HVing the base?
Yo, you little eager. Let me go. Ah! 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 Bubbles, talk for me, Bubbles. I'm reporting you.
Reporting?
You know you cannot slip. Report you. Bubbles, if I dox you, what if I IP dox you? Yo. No, stop it. Leave me alone. I'm sorry. Please let me
Nice
go,
shot, bro. No, nice shot.
Bitch, good little fucking girl.
Damn, you kiss your little mommy with that mouth?
No.
Bro, you're good at this game.
Yo, I'm gonna fucking race this. Get on meds. We're gonna keep it here forever. We're gonna use. I'm about to log off, bro. If y'all let me.
Bro, did I just hear you hit your keyboard and rage? Are you actually like super pissed off right now or what?
Help! Help!
Yeah, little guy. Ask for help.
Oh, you cute little.
Давайте я ваши камни ползуки ебаные, блять, я ваши, блять, рты